a 28-footer.
And this is a fifth wheel.
Yeah.
Look at it's a mansion.
It has a nice little gas fireplace.
I know. Oh my god, this is amazing.
I love this. It's got a fan up there.
Light fixtures.
I think isn't that a... Look,
Oh, it has the ducted like mine.
Oh, look at the pantry.
Holy cow.
Full-size fridge.
Yeah, you could stay in here a month at a time without having to go shopping.
Oh, yeah.
That's
They're
like a
really...
full-size presidential.
Yep. It's a tiny oven, though.
All ovens are tiny when it comes.
It's
Oh,
kind of
it's
squatty.
yeah, it is. Oh my god, look at that. A glass top. I need one of those for my RV.
Yeah. I took our top off.
I did too.
Oh, those are nice cabinets.
Huge.
How much is it? I don't have my glasses on.
It says it is 37.
I can't even see.
No, 8. Does that say 87?
Just got glasses on.
87.
Oh, yeah, that's the list.
It's 87.
57.
Is that 57? See, I can't see nothing.
Wow, nice big deep
Well,
sink.
it's a 63 with the freight.
Oh my god.
Yeah, nice underneath for storage.
This feels really nice.
Wow,
It's
it's really.
high, too.
And then you've got storage here, but that would be like storage that you wouldn't get into very much. Nice little sitting area. You know what's nice about this too? And this happens in trailers and fifth wheels a lot. You'll be sitting over here, but your TV's like way over here. This,
All
that,
the smaller ones.
yeah,
are up, yeah.
that's nice because they have a TV right there.
I'm sure these are newer too.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
So,
Wait, it's just pretty too.
the bedroom's probably
Wow,
the size of
look
the
at this
kitchen.
shower. Nice walk-in shower.
Well, why didn't you walk in?
Well, it's kind of the standard. Very nice. Wow, this is a nice big bedroom.
Oh, I love the bedroom.
Oh, wow. Looks like a barn.
That's cool.
Wow, look at this.
Holy
walk-in-
cow, you'd have
What
plenty
is
of
this?
room.
Like a fake.
No, I think that's just the
Wow.
wall. Yeah.
Oh, look. Washer dryer hookups. That's why that's there.
Oh, okay. The
Yeah.
inset.
Yeah, and then over on this one.
It's just the regular closet.
Yeah, I was looking for a shirt this morning. This would solve my problem. I would actually be able to see it.
Look at all the shoes you can store.
Oh, yeah. And look at nice little... Boy, they even have a little seating area. Wow, that's nice. They did a
Yeah, see,
good
this
job
is
in here.
Put another TV.
Yep, nice big...
Drawers. Deep drawers.
This is a nice bedroom setup. Gonna put a fantastic fan in there, right?
And you could use it without putting out the slide. Because once
Yeah,
you-
I think
just
so.
bounce it.
Yeah, you just had to crawl
Yeah.
in, but you could, yeah. Wow, very nice. What was this one called?
Wildwood.
Forest River. Okay, that's the. Okay, it's a Wildwood. M-A-T. I think it's 28. 28 foot? Yeah, nice.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting.
Oh, wow. It's a full through basement. Boy, Scotty could put some stuff in there, couldn't he?
Yeah, that goes all the way through. Nice. Yeah. So it is
Well, yeah, you want
10,830.
That's fully loaded.
Uh-huh.
And then when it says your cargo, over here, let's see. So the cargo, so you take that minus that to get dry weight. That
Oh,
part.
dry weight.
Yeah.
So it's about 8,000 something. Okay.
This one's 34. I don't think I could get Scotty to do that.
Yeah, the other one was 28, so this is
Yeah.
34.
Oh, man. This is the Nice big one. Look at
Ah.
that.
Kind of looks similar to the other.
But see what I was talking about? So, like if you're sitting here, then your TV's like, that other
Yeah.
layout was so good.
No, this is your theater seat.
Yeah.
That's what you're supposed to do.
They've got the little fireplace down there. Wow.
Same setup as before, just in a different spot.
I like their colors too.
Yeah, muted grays. It's really nice.
Now that's a bigger oven. That's nice.
Oh, that one looks like a full size.
Yeah, I like that. But it only has 2 burners. Oh, I guess it's got a center. But I don't know how you would put your pots on there. Never seen that before. I guess you could use for a bigger pot and then, I don't know, I've never seen that before. Big sink.
I like the other sink better.
Yeah. And just lots of storage. Let's see. Yep, same thing. Nice big open pantry. I like their color schemes in these. Then you got like a little wet bar over here.
That's nice to have.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's all your panel stuff. Yeah. Is it? Probably mine too, huh? Oh yeah. This is like my whole living space. Oh my gosh, but they got
Oh.
sink,
Yeah, nice.
dual sinks. Lots of storage though.
Big, huge shower.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. About the same size as that other one.
Yeah.
This is pretty. Let's see.
Now for the bedroom.
And
Oh,
it's so much bigger.
it's bigger, but same layout.
Same layout. Oh, sorry.
And they already have the TV in this one.
Oh. Yeah, same exact with the shelves.
But you get that extra 6 feet
Yeah.
in this one.
Same little sitting bench. And this is, yeah, king size bed. Yeah. Well, that would be nice. And you could still get in here if we were, you'd start putting a pull out. Nice. Well, this is 3790. That's probably what, about 38 then. Okay, I'm home.
Oh,
This is it.
wow.
Isn't this beautiful? This makes it feel so homey. I mean, you actually have a living room. Look at that. Nice big fire. Isn't that neat? So you got your couch, 2 seats, and then a love seat. Oh, and I bet you the TV comes up.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, raises up. Wow. This is really nice. That definitely feels homey. Nice little sitting area.
There's a deep tank.
Yeah, same thing, nice big oven. Only thing, I don't think I care for these stove tops. I mean, with all the cooking I do, I don't know if I like that or not.
You'd have to give you a long, thin pot for the middle.
Yeah. And then this is a convection oven, so you got that. Yeah, a little wine rack up there. Wow. There's some really nice storage in here. Wow, look at the inside of that. Huge.
Plenty of food storage.
Yeah, I would put like shelves back here. Layer them up.
Dividers.
Yeah, dividers. Wow, nice. Nice little coat rack area or keys, I guess. Wow, look how deep that is. You think it's a little tiny thing. It's way back in there. I would lose everything back there though. That's nice storage. Yeah, they got a nice amount of storage in here. Nice deep drawers. Nice little shower. Nice way to sit down too.
Yeah, I like the bench in there.
Yeah. And then just a little medicine cabinet. Not as roomy as the other one, and this is, I believe this is a little bigger, but it's still nice. You've got side tables for your bed, and look at inside the closet. Now that's kind of nice. You got a table here, countertop, and laundry.
Well,
That's
I like
nice.
that.
I do too. Yeah, and then guess a couple extra chairs come with it, and then you got your washer and dryer area. Huh. How would you get it? Oh, I guess it would be washer, combined. Well, this bedroom doesn't really impress me that much. I like the layout of the other bedroom.
I do too, but I like the living space of this one better.
These are pretty. Kind of makes it look more homey too. Nice layout. Wow. This is another big living room. I think, is this the same size, 37?
I think so.
Wow. I love this whole upper living room bit.
Yeah, this one's very dark
It's very-
though.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Maybe because this is shut.
Yeah.
Oh, that's better.
Slide right up. Yeah. Wow. Oh, you know, that's nice. They're magnetized. So they don't flop all around the place. Oh, very nice. I think this is kind of set up like the other one. I've got.
I like the bar stools.
Yeah, this could be like a little work area. Actually, that's what it's set up for.
Like
Chair.
your desk,
Yeah, little desk area. Look at this. You never see this for your pots and pans. That's nice. I've never seen that before. Ooh, that's nice too. And I like the 3 burners. Yep. Nice big cabinets. And this is a full-size fridge. You can't get any bigger than that. Nice.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah. Massive storage. Yeah. And then the same sink situation. Oh wait. Oh, okay. We came from the living room. Oh, we got 2 ways in.
The bedroom.
Yeah, you go that way in.
I like the door.
Yeah. And then you got your. So you got to walk through both sides. Yeah. I don't like this. Because somebody always will have to crawl out instead. You can't stand
I
that.
like the big window though.
Yeah, but you know what I mean? This person on that side has to come out this way.
Mm-hmm.
So if they get up in the middle of the night.
You can just crawl off the end of the bed.
Yeah, I mean, we do that already.
Well, it's not, but yours is up high. This
Yeah.
one's not too bad.
But, man, this is just really beautiful.
I like all the finishes and stuff.
Yeah, so they
Gray
just
seems
have
to be popular.
dual closets. No washer and dryer hookup, though. Just, that's it. Yeah, I think this is so this is roughly 115,000. A little bit more than the other ones. Right on. I love this. I like the other one better though. Alright.